Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today we are going to be talking about Patrick Ta products. I love Patrick Ta. He is one of my favorite makeup artists out there in the industry, and I just love his products. So I'm going to show you the products that I do own by him, and all these products, I think they're fabulous. They're gorgeous. I just love the whole theme behind his makeup, that gorgeous natural dewy, very sultry but soft and a little bit sexy, kind of mixed in there, but it's just all around a beautiful line. So I'm going to talk about his makeup brushes first, and I'm going to go down the line like that. So the only makeup brush that I don't have by him right now is his lip brush, but I have all the other brushes. So this one here is for the body. So when I have my oil there and I spray it onto my body, I just buff it into my skin. This here is so super soft. Such a beautiful brush. Now it does look heavy, but it's not. It's a very lightweight brush. But I just love the rose gold, and the bristles are just so gorgeous, and when I rub in my oils, it's just so soft and smooth. And of course you have the little PT there. And of course it does say right here in the lettering for body. So just to let you know, so all of his brushes are labeled, so then you know, which makes it really easy to, especially if you're new into makeup. So the next brush is for the eyebrows. Now, don't mind the spoolie. The spoolie is white, but of course it is a little bit brown with my eyebrow product right now, but that's okay. I really do like this spoolie. I find that it does pick up a lot of product and it brushes it through very nice through my brows. And then on the other end, you have a little angle brush. So you could go in with your product very nice and easy, and it's just a real nice brush. Like when it's in your hand, when you're doing your brows, it just gives it the right angle. This brush here is very light. It's like I'm not holding anything in my hand, and it says for brows 1 on it. Once again, very easy, very straightforward, and it's just an all-around beautiful brush. Next up we have for face 1 brush. This brush here, I love to use it when I'm applying my blushes, and it just picks up the right amount of product, and you just go in, and so soft to the touch. I really love, once again, the rose gold, and these brushes are just beautiful. And what I find is that with my Patrick Ta blushes, where they are so pigmented that you could easily just dip in once with this brush and you pick up so much product. But it blends the product out really nice onto the skin without it being like bang in your face, like super heavy. And it does look like a heavy brush, but once again, it's not a heavy brush, just an all-around gorgeous brush. So the last brush that I have by Patrick Ta is For Eyes 1 brush. This eyeshadow brush is my holy grail of holy grail eyeshadow brushes. I absolutely love this brush. Once again, it's the rose gold, and don't mind because I do have shadow on it, because I did use this when I was applying my shadow earlier on. But what I like about this eyeshadow brush is that it's a very light brush. It is not heavy in the hand, so therefore you're able to maneuver your hand very slight and really quick too at the same time. But also it picks up the right amount of shadow, and you just go in and you just blend it onto your lids, and it just applies the shadows so gorgeous. And also the bristles on this brush are so super soft. I really do love this brush. Also, I'm really hoping, because he's coming out with this eyeshadow brush, I'm hoping that eventually he'll come out with an eyeshadow palette. That would be like my dream eyeshadow palette by Patrick Ta, because like I said, I love his products. This brush here is just an all-around gorgeous eyeshadow brush. So now I'm going to talk about my eyebrows. And of course, I got the Patrick Ta for brows, and this one here is the Shaping Wax, and this one here is in clear. Now, I will have to say, with this product, of course, it looks like there's nothing in it, and that's all I have in my brows today. I don't have any other eyebrow product in my brows. So what I like to do is I take a little bit of water or a little bit of setting spray and just put a little tiny bit into the product, because if you put too much in this product, when you're brushing it into your brows will actually become like soapy. So you got to be really careful. You know, you got to find a happy medium of how much water to put in or how much setting spray to put in. And then I just take my spoolie and I just run it up and down in the product, and then I just brush it into my brows. Really, really super easy. Holds my brows in place and actually kind of makes my brows look like, you know, they're put together and they're formed and they're looking good, but I have no other product in them. So it just makes my brows look really, really full as well. And of course it comes with a nice size little mirror. And of course, once again, that rose gold packaging just gets me every time. So let's talk about some glow to my skin. Now I'm really hoping that my camera's picking it up because it's just a subtle glow. It's not in your face glow. So when you want to have a natural glowy looking skin, this here is beautiful. And this here is backwards. This here is by Patrick Ta, and it's the Major Glow Body Oil, and it's for Body a Dream Champagne. This one here is the mini. This has lasted me a very long time because a little bit of product comes out, but not like an overload of product. And what I do is, of course, you know, just give it a little shake, and then I take it and I just spritz it onto my shoulder, take the brush, and it just gives the right amount of glow to the skin. Do you see this? To the skin without it being too much. And that's what I'm really into lately, is just the natural looking glowing skin, and I just love it. The fragrance of this is beautiful, but it doesn't last. That's why I like this product so much, because it does not last. The fragrance, that is. But the shine lasts really, really beautiful. When I did pick this up in the beginning, and in one of my videos I had said that I wish I had to get a shade darker because at the time you couldn't really notice it on my skin. But then the more I was out in the sunlight, you know, going around, I really noticed it and was just giving that right amount of glow. All in all, just a beautiful, beautiful product. So this one here is one of his newest products, and this is the Patrick Ta Major Glow Dewy Milk Mist, and this here is for the face, and it's called She's Thirsty. This here is beautiful. Of course, I have this on my face today. Now with this product, you do have to shake it well before you spray it onto your face. I have to say that the right amount of product comes out. It's not like too much in your face when you spray it on your face. I'll just show you guys. So you give it a good little shake there, and you just hold it back, and then it just, like, the mister on this is beautiful because it just puts out the right amount of product without it being too much. Now the fragrance on this is like almost a sweet fragrance and then a spicy fragrance mixed together. It's really not a milky fragrance. I do find it makes my skin look really nice and fresh and dewy and glowy. And it's just a beautiful product. And the reason why I like it the most, I will go back talking about the mister, is because it's spraying out the right amount of product. It's not giving you too much, so you're not going to go through this really quick. And this product here has a total of 1.6 fluid ounces, so you won't go through this really, really fast. And same with this one here. I should have mentioned this one here has 1 fluid ounce, and once again it just sprays out the right amount of product without it being too much. So all in all, just really, really beautiful. And also the fragrance does not last. Once you spray it on and it sits into your skin, it's gone. So let's talk about his blushes. So I have the first blush that launched, and now I have the newest blush that launched, and I really love it. Anyways, this one here is called She's Seductive, and this blush here is so beautiful. It's this gorgeous like nude shade blush, but it's like has a very beautiful warmth to it as well, and I have it on my face today. And it's just an all-around gorgeous, gorgeous blush. Of course, it comes with a full-size mirror. It's the same size as the pan, and it doesn't even look like I've used it. Like, you could probably, I'm hoping that you could still see the symbol PT in this, because it looks like I've never used it, but I have been using this ever since I got it, and it hasn't even put a dent in it at all whatsoever. Once again, this blush is really super pigmented and it just gives the right amount of color to your face as well as his newest ones that are out. And this is the Double Take Cream and Powder Duo. This one's here called Oh, She's Different, and That I Am, and I love it. And of course, once again, you have the full-size mirror. Here is your powder product, and then here's your cream product. This here reminds me a lot of the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palettes. It has the little tiny plastic lid, which I really, really appreciate. This here is gorgeous because it is so beautiful. So here we have the powder and here we have the cream, and these apply gorgeous. Now, I do remember him saying that he applies the powder first and then the cream. I'm always trying to remember how he applies his products, especially the blushes. So here's the powder here. So that's what he does. He applies the powder first and then he goes over with the cream. And the cream, oh, it's just so gorgeous. And look how this blends out. It just blends out really, really gorgeous. Once again, I do have it on top of She's Seductive, and so I have 3 of these products on my face today, and they're just really, really beautiful. Now I'm going to talk about 3 lip products. First, I'm going to talk about the lipsticks. The one that I'm wearing today is called Oh, She's Single, and it's this beautiful, beautiful nude lipstick. The packaging, gorgeous. The whole entire component is beautiful, so like luxurious. And here's the color swatched right here on my hand. I would describe this as a demi matte lipstick, and it's very soft to the lips when you go ahead and apply it. No fragrance whatsoever, which I really like. And it just is the perfect nude lipstick without making your lips disappear, because I am so not into that look. When my lips disappear. When I wear a nude lipstick, I want to make sure that you're able to see my lips. This one here is one of my favorite nude lipsticks. Now this one here is called That's Why She's Late. This is such a beautiful red lipstick. But let me warn you, when you put this on your lips, it's not going nowhere. When you try to remove it, it doesn't want to go anywhere. It pretty much stains your lips. So that just shows the lasting power in these lipsticks, which I really appreciate. Now with this one, I will have to say that you do have to wear a lip liner with it, because I do find that it bleeds a little bit around my lip line, as where this one doesn't. This one here I just wear by itself, no lip liner. But this one here, I do recommend wearing a lip liner. And it is just the most beautiful red lipstick ever. Perfect red lipstick for the Christmas season. So besides wearing the lipstick color in Oh, She's Single, I do have a lip gloss just topped in the center of my lips. And this one here is the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine in She's an Influencer. Anyways, once again, the packaging is beautiful. This lip gloss by itself and paired up with lip products is beautiful. It is so gorgeous. And the shine on this lip gloss is beautiful. You have like this gorgeous like pink, and then you have like a little bit of reflex of like blue and purple. It's just really pretty. And this gloss is really super comfortable to the lips. By itself, it is not tacky, and it just glides on the lips so gorgeous. And the applicator as well is beautiful. I like the size of it, and it just like fits the lips perfect. And also when you pair it up with lip products, it doesn't change the consistency or the pigmentation of the lipsticks. Like, it doesn't take away from the lipsticks or their formula, which I really like. And once again, it's really comfortable. When you apply it on top of lipstick, it feels like you're wearing no gloss, which I really super like. So you guys, there are all my favorite Patrick Ta products. I really do love Patrick Ta. I find that he's so unique, so different. I love him as a creator of a brand because it is so natural, and I love that because he's showing off everybody's natural beauty without it being so heavy. Like everyone could wear these products and use these products, and I think that is beautiful because he's showcasing everyone's natural beauty. Let me know in the comments down below, have you tried any of Patrick Ta products before? Are you interested in trying Patrick Ta products? Let me know in those comments down below, and let's hope one day he comes out with an eyeshadow palette, because I think that'd be such a dream. There we go. That'd be an awesome name for an eyeshadow palette. Such a dream. Anyways, it's out there now in the internet world. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay safe, love one another. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.